Hey crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before this video is not for any financial advices and I'm not a financial advisor, so let's start. Alright, in this video I'll discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now as you can see the web interface in my screen now, and the project name is Shiba, the best, the newest and the biggest, the Dogecoin killer river. So the world has witnessed a lot of disappointments. The Shiba whales have their eyes blazing. It's time for the birth of a new king, a new Doge killer of 2003, Shiba. So what is Shiba? Like here you can see what is Shiba. Like Shiba was created by one of the OG Shiba whales and influencers, which is the Shiba Inu. The aftermath of stories to be discussed on X spaces, which lead to the rebirth of Shiba. Time to reverse time and shift responsibilities. It's the community taking matters into their own hands post launch announced contract access. Also, and they have liquidity bar, the long anticipations and coming to an end. Everyone is acting for a new leader. Right now, they have Shiba Swap, like here you can see the swap interface. Also here you can see the Shiba Realm Explorer. Right now they did like only 270 transactions. This is the total transaction, and here you can see their blocks, like they are here you can see everything, their blocks information, also their transactions, which is amazing. And here you can see the breached interface, like their transfer and their one, like you can check it out from yourself. So the total supply, as you can see, the total allocation, their liquidity, which is 45%, liquidity will be burned at launch. They will burn their 30% from the supply. Also there you can see the centralized exchange, which is 5%, marketing 5%, ecosystem fund 4%, their beast, which is like here you can see their 4%, also the team percent, which is 5% the team, and the team fund wasted over 12 months. It's okay. And their contract address, like here you can see the Shiba, also their Bones contract address, like the Shiba ecosystem. You can buy their Shiba token or their Bones token from Unisat or Shiba Swap. Like it's amazing. And what is Shiba and what is actually Bones? Here you can see Shiba is the governance tokens of the Shiba ecosystem. It is ultimately the rebirth of the Doge killer. Holding Shiba holds up like a plethora of benefits, including but not limited to airdrops for holding Shiba, revenue share, continual buyback plus burns plus from utilities. Also, there will just payment methods of the third party and here you can see. What is the Bones? Like the Bones is the official gas token of Shiba Realm chain. You must hold Bones to pay for the gas for their chain. Not only this, Bones was designed to allow to the ship army to have its like voice heard by voting on proposals via the Doge DAO. So literally it's amazing. And here you can see about the more information about this project. And guys, here you can see the roadmap information in my website now. Like here you can see the phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Also here you can see about their you will get their Telegram join link. Now if I talk about their price, like here you can see the chart interface in my screen now. Like it's just bottom, and obviously it should be. And now right now we know that we are now in bottom, so obviously it can be pumped from this bottom, who knows. And the team is very active, so that's why I'm pretty bullish in this project. And here you can see about their 24 hours volume, their market cap, which is $629,000. And here you can see the circulation supply, their holders and their DEX scope. Now let's check it out, their like X profile. Now so for to see guys, their X profile, which is now back. Now About if I want to talk about investment things, so obviously if you look at the chart, which is amazing right now, most of our altcoins are literally in bottle. So obviously you can buy it from their bottle and hold it for like 10x profit, because the team is active right now and they are promoting their project perfectly. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.